Welcome back to my YouTube channel and watching full video. Forget everything you know about supercars. This is not just a Lamborghini, it's a revolution. Standing before you is a masterpiece of custom engineering, wrapped in a polished fire engine red finish that simply screams luxury. Let's talk about the stance. This isn't wide, it's surreal. The ultra-widest body kit imaginable transforms its profile into something menacing and opulent. Look at these fender flares. They extend outward to an almost surreal width, giving it an imposing, luxurious stance that demands attention. The front fascia integrates enormous, sharp air intakes and bold aerodynamic canards. This is an aggressive, high-tech look, designed to dominate both the track and the trail. But the true statement is down here. Massive, intricate alloy wheels shod with rugged off-road tires. It's a stunning juxtaposition. A supercar ready to conquer any terrain. It retains that aggressive, sporty styling Lamborghini is known for, but amplified. From the performance grille to the sleek tinted windows. Step inside, and the luxury continues. The cockpit is a blend of racing-inspired materials and high-end finishings, creating a true driver-focused sanctuary. Every detail, from the stitching to the advanced digital cockpit, speaks of exclusivity. It is pure Lamborghini DNA, where aggressive styling meets absolute comfort.